This is a live removal by Be Green Natural Bee Removal. We're removing a pretty big size swarm of bees. There's our technician. We're in the city of Long Beach in the power plant, the main power plant of Long Beach. You can see how the bees are starting to swarm around a lot. So we have to wear our harness for safety. Because we are pretty high. We're pretty high from the ground, as you can see. There's the cars all the way over there. There's the ground all the way over there. And we're all the way up here. We can't really see much of the bee swarm. Only our technician can see it since he's over there working with them. It's not safe for me to go down there with him on this platform when I don't have a harness myself. So I'm standing here where there's a handrail around me. So I'm pretty safe up here. You can see. This is Be Green Natural Bee Removal with another live removal, and there's our Be Green vacuum, our green vacuum. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove the swarm. You know, obviously there's a lot of bees that are not too happy with this, but we're gonna grab as many as we can. You know, after we're done grabbing all of the bees, if there's no honeycomb, then we're gonna have to do a treatment afterwards. This way the bees won't continue to come back here. Now if there is honeycomb, we have to remove all of the honeycomb, clean up everything, and then we do the treatment. And it's an eco-friendly treatment, so it's gonna work out good. Here at Be Green Natural Bee Removal, we are highly dedicated to live bee removals. From honeybees to yellow jackets to wasps, any type of stinging insect. Whatever we could do to help out our environment, that's our vision. There you have it. We're doing a live bee removal, a bee swarm removal from a power plant in Long Beach, in the city of Long Beach. We're like 10 stories high, not more. But at Be Green, safety is one of our priorities. So we are well equipped. We have all the equipment we need for small jobs, residential, commercial, industrial jobs. This is Be Green for natural beard removal. If you like our service, you could contact us at info@begreenremoval.com, or you could visit our website at www.begreenremoval.com, or you can call us at our toll-free number 877-675-6102. Be Green Natural Beard Removal, your eco-friendly beard removal company.